Number 2 is Geeetech Thunder 3D printer. The Geeetech Thunder 3D printer is an optimistic beast for woodworking. With the lightning-fast speed of up to 300 mm per second and jaw-dropping acceleration of 5000 mm/s superscript 2 for the x-axis and 4000 mm/s superscript 2 for the y-axis, this printer will have your projects finished in a flash, saving you precious time. Say goodbye to waiting around. But that's not all. The Thunder boasts a unique X/Y closed-loop drive, which delivers more torque and lightning-quick response from the stepper motor. Your prints will stay rock-solid even at high speeds, ensuring impeccable precision and stability. Are you worried about the heat? Fear not! The Thunder's efficient heat dissipation system is a game-changer. With 2 high-volume heat dissipation fans at the hot end and 2 more giant auxiliary part cooling fans, you'll experience a breeze of cooling power. And with the 1-button strong cooling mode function, you can activate all 4 fans simultaneously for maximum cooling capacity. Crafted with an all-metal construction, the Thunder is built to withstand the toughest woodworking challenges. Its dual Z-axis with a T-type reinforced structure and a specially designed damping structure for the Y-axis ensure robustness and durability. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.